So now we can get to cooking in the Tesla. So pulling the back open, everything is legit. Fridge is right here, air fryer right here. All we got to do is connect it. How hungry are you? Wow, that's crazy. It's like I was with you the whole time and I haven't eaten all day either. So we're gonna get one of these one-time use air. So I was about to cook in Noah's driveway, but he had me move my car. So we're over here now and we're gonna continue our cooking. So back at it, we're gonna take one of these one-time use little tray guys. I'm gonna put it in here.
What are we cooking inside of today?
So what we're doing today inside of here is for Nitess, because she can't have the leftover pizza. We have these sausages, because she likes sausages, okay?
Notice how they're small.
Small sausages, because she can only take small sausages. And then from there, we have some rice, some brown rice, some healthy whole grain brown rice, right? So typically what we're going to do is...
Not typically what we're going to do.
Yes, what we're going to do, right, is we're going to get this thing called a utensil. Helps you eat and such, right? You're going to open whatever, rice you have. I prefer brown rice because health reasons. And then we're just going to pour it into the air fryer. Yes, so we pour it into the air fryer. From there, we are going to grab the sausages. Nidus wants 3 sausages. I'm going to be eating some leftover pizza, generously sponsored by Rojo Gambino. All right. So check this out. This is what it looks like. Just some turkey sausages and some brown rice. We can put it in there. Start, stop. We are going to press one of these. If you're wondering what these are, check out the videos on the channel where I literally test drive every single car company.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
And from there, we're going to go to 310. And then we'll do that for 10 minutes. And that's gonna cook in there for night test. 10 minutes.
30 minutes and 10 seconds?
Yes.
Wow.
So I really be out here enjoying my pizza. Nidus is just waiting. So see how much longer she has to wait. All right, guys, check this out. 3 minutes left on the clock. Look at that. That's looking pretty good. I think that's pretty much done, honestly. Let me get her plate and everything, and then we'll see what it looks like from there. All right, here we are. Let's get it onto the plate and feed her. Rice is nice and crispy, sausages are nice and sausagey. To finish this up, we always unplug. Oh, that is a warm connection, and we'll put this back in here. And now we take the food to feed the homeless.